It's Darky Sabretooth, and I've got a little unboxing and testing video of this here. The Extreme Bluetooth Wireless Keyboard. Talk, not talk. Bleh. Type, surf, and play. It's available for Android. It's basically Bluetooth, so anything that accepts Bluetooth will work with this. So, a friend of mine, with his help, I managed to pick this up. It was on sale at, Princess Auto. There we go. And I apologize for the light here. It's actually quite dim here in my office right now. The light seems to be slowly going out. But yeah, you can see here, it's just a little Bluetooth keyboard. Not much to it right away. Flip it around. There's also a white version besides the black. And as you can see, it works with just about anything here. Apple, Android, well, Droid, but Android. BlackBerry, HTC, Motorola, And then there's a QR code there that leads, if I remember, just to the actual manufacturer's website. And that's about it. So, it was neat, and it was a half-decent price, so we figured, what the hell, you know? And pardon me about that. Been looking for something to be able to type from my computer in my living room whenever I have it hooked up. I apologize for that. I had a brain fart. And so far, the only other wireless keyboard I have is in my bedroom, and, well, I don't want to have to unplug and move the dongle around and all that too much, so figured, what the hey, a Bluetooth keyboard, but I'll be trying it with this, an Android LG G4. So let's see if I can actually get the darn thing. Maybe not. Maybe not with one hand. Let's check the other end. Is this one easier? No, it is not. Let's see. Oh, there we go. That came out. I have this ready just to be a little quicker. So it's open. Oh, okay. It decided to open there. 1, 2. Oops. Flip it around. And out it comes. Now, this thing does not come with a dongle at all. It is purely Bluetooth, and I apologize for the light being on here again. It is swamping out like crazy. It's not nice. Oh, I seem to have ripped the instructions a tiny bit whenever I was taking it out. Oh, well. So, let's see here. For pairing with Android 3.0 and later, let's see. Turn on your Android device, go to Settings, select Bluetooth. Press the Bluetooth button on the back of the keyboard. And then on your Android device, select Extreme. Promote for the pin 000. Okay. And then pop-up should disappear with the word connected. Okay, so let's flip this over. Where is the opening section? Oh, it's right here. Now this thing, I should mention, takes 2 quadruple A batteries, and I happen to have some from the dollar store. They're pretty good brands, to be perfectly honest. So let's get that in, and push. Get this back on. Flip it around. Now, I guess it should already be running, in a sense. Let's double check with this. Yep. Okay, so let me get the Android ready. As you can see right here, Bluetooth is on, so let's go into it. And then now it's ready. Go up to the back here. The connect button is all the way down at the end here, so let's press it. and then do a search over here. There it is. Possibly. Pairing. Pairing. One moment here. There we go. It just showed up extreme. Tap on that. So type this and then press enter or return. And yet here it said type the zeros. So over here it is 1, 5, 4, 5, 2, 8. Enter. Connected. So let's do a quick test. Let's go right here to the Google app and try G. OOGLE. And there we go, it is working. It popped up with this keyboard too, which is nice. Now let's see, I'm curious. Ah! The mute button works. Mute button. Volume down. Volume up. Screen brightness does not work. Android, Win, OS. Oh, escape works to get it back to the main thing. Let's see if I press the so-called command. Let's see if that does anything. Yep. What about the op? Nope. Control? Nope. Shift, cap lock, of course, would probably work. Well, seems to be in working order. Let's try... No, not that. Back. Let's try... one of my favorite little conventions. Yep. Working no problem to type with this keyboard to Android. I'll put a little video of syncing it to Windows here on my Windows machine, which is way up there. There is Bluetooth in here, and I have another chiclet in my PC in the living room, or laptop in the living room, more like. So yeah, there's a quick little unboxing and quick trial and pairing of the Extreme Bluetooth wireless keyboard. Not bad. It feels kind of nice to these hands too. Just quite quick, and it's actually pleasant to press. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. There is a like button there if you did. I would very much appreciate it. It does help out a lot. If you feel like it, don't forget to subscribe, because you never know what kind of video I'll upload next. Take care, yo. Bye-bye.